Hi, my name is Jennifer, and I'm a library assistant at the North Columbus Public Library. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your very own cloud. So first, we need to get our materials. You'll need a glass container with a lid. If you don't have a glass container with a lid, you can use a glass cup and use a plate or something to cover the top of it. You'll also need a third a cup of hot water. It doesn't need to be boiling. Ice. And finally, hairspray. That's all you need. So, first things first, you'll take your hot water and you're going to pour it into your glass container. Then, you're going to take your container and you'll kind of swirl it around to get your jar nice and warmed up. Then you're going to take your lid, you'll put it upside down on top of the jar, and then you'll take ice cubes and you'll put a few of them on top of the lid. Then you're going to hold them there for about 20 seconds. Alright, now that 20 seconds has passed, you'll take your ice off your lid, and then you'll take your hairspray, and you'll quickly spray it in there and then shut the lid. And then when you're ready, you'll take the lid off, and you can see your cloud coming out the top. Now, why does this work? Step 1, evaporation. When we pour the hot water into the bottom of the jar, some of that hot water starts to evaporate and turn into a gas as it gets towards the top of the jar. Step 2 is condensation. All that hot water that turned into gas is rising to the top of the jar, and then we put the ice on it, which cools the water back down, so it's cooling it into water vapor. You'll notice this is happening because there might be little beads of sweat near the top of the jar. So what's with the hairspray? Well, in nature, a cloud forms when water vapor, similar to what we just created, clings to something such as pollen or volcanic ash or dust or even air pollution, and then it can form the cloud that you all know and love. Well, we don't have a way to capture all that when we're making our cloud in a jar, so we use hairspray. So what happens when you lift the lid is you're spraying in the hairspray and giving the water vapor something to cling to, and so that's how we can see our cloud. I hope you learned something when you watched me make my cloud, and I hope you make plenty of your own.
We are springing into summer learning at the Chattahoochee Valley Libraries, and the program you just attended is one of the ways you can earn completions. Just go to cvlga.org and look for Spring into Summer Learning. You can register yourself and your family online, and then start reading and attending our online events. That's all you have to do. We're giving away weekly gift certificates, and every completion you make enters you into a grand prize drawing for tablets, games, gifts, and more. Remember, you have to register to win. cvlga.org, and we'll see you online again real soon.